Alright, it's golf cart time once again. Look, I got multiple projects going at once right now, and I really shouldn't do that because I'm not good at finishing stuff. Mechanically, I've worked on a lawnmower, got it going, already got all my tools out, so we're going to do some stuff to the golf cart. I've already started taking the seats off. I got more of that green canvas to recover my seats, new foam and everything. This one here's about to come off. Alright, this, now look, I'm going to be honest. I don't remember how those mount on there, but I'm pretty sure they'll only go one way, so I'll figure it out. And I know that I need that hole and that hole, so I'm cutting that off right there. Alright, I got the lawn cart bed that my friend Vicky gave me, and I got this 1-inch square tubing, so I got to fabricate all that up so it'll have a bed on it when it's done. I'm putting the top back on it, looking forward to that. Alright, let's get to work. Check this out. I pulled that plastic cover off and I found an ant colony. So I got to pull those 2 bolts out and go up there and shake that off in the fish pond and see if goldfish eat ants, and they'll eat the larvae for sure. I don't know about the ants. Oh, another thing. Everything today is going to be bolt-on because this is occurring during the coronavirus outbreak, and my brother-in-law has had cancer. That's where I do all my welding at. So he's got a compromised immune system. So me still working and being out in the world, I have to. I don't have a choice. I can't be over there around him. So everything today is bolt-on. It's looking more like a golf cart. So successfully got the top back on. Figured out how all the bars went. Alright, now this was a typical garden trailer, which was twice this wide. Well, when I put these bars on, it made that have to slide back that much, which when it was double its size, it was way back here and looked ridiculous. So I cut everything down the middle. Well, the bottom I didn't have to cut, it already had a seam. I cut the sides down the middle. I sandwiched it all back together, drilled a few holes, bolted it all back together. I bolted it straight to the fenders. Now this side, this thing has a slide gate in back. So I've left the slide gate. I had to put a piece of angle iron in there to strengthen up this corner right here. And this is still flimsy. So it's going to need a piece of flat bar or a gusset. It's going to need something. But I hadn't got there yet. But it will work like that. Now, I have run it down the road and putting the top on it and probably more over the bed made it get a lot louder. So I installed this piece back in it, and I don't know if that's going to help with the sound or not. It's got 2 screws that hold it in the front, and I'm thinking about putting a bolt here and a bolt there, and we'll have to see if that works. But what I just rode was too loud. But it's got a very interesting short bed. Looks less like an easy-go workhorse now. And this will still haul feed and buckets and tools, so that's really all I need. Oh, I ran out of 5/16 bolts, so I just had to put anything in there that I could. But except for this corner, the rest of it is real solid. Just need to shore that up a little bit. This is Chris from Key Farm. Love God, love people, but don't love them too close. Still got that virus thing going on. Maybe make a phone call and keep watching Key Farm. You ain't allowed to do anything else.